CapCut's auto caption feature is powered by advanced AI technology, but several technical factors can cause it to fail. Understanding these root causes will help you troubleshoot more effectively. CapCut's auto caption system uses AI-powered speech recognition that processes your audio through cloud servers. The system analyzes speech patterns, converts them to text, and synchronizes the captions with your video timeline. The 5 most common causes of caption failures are network connectivity issues, insufficient device storage or RAM, outdated app versions, poor audio quality, and server-side outages. Each of these can disrupt the AI processing pipeline. Since CapCut processes captions in the cloud, a stable internet connection with at least 5 megabits per second is crucial. Wi-Fi connections are generally more reliable than mobile data for this purpose. For iOS devices, you need version 11.0 or later. Android devices require version 5.0 or higher, though Android 8.0 and above provide optimal performance. CapCut requires at least 3 gigabytes of RAM for smooth auto caption processing. Devices with less memory may experience failures or slow processing times. Recent CapCut updates in 2025 have brought significant improvements, including enhanced multilingual support for over 50 languages and better processing speeds. However, these updates can occasionally introduce new bugs that affect caption functionality. Understanding these technical factors, from network requirements to device specifications, provides the foundation for effectively troubleshooting CapCut auto caption failures. In the next section, we'll explore specific solutions for both iOS and Android devices. Let's start with basic iOS troubleshooting steps to fix CapCut auto captions. These simple solutions resolve most common issues. First, force close and restart CapCut. Double-tap the home button or swipe up from the bottom, then swipe up on CapCut to close it completely. Next, check iOS compatibility. Ensure you have iOS 11.0 or later, and verify your device has at least 3 gigabytes of RAM for optimal performance. Finally, update CapCut through the App Store. Open the App Store, search for CapCut, and tap Update if available. If basic steps don't work, try these advanced iOS solutions for persistent caption issues. Advanced iOS solutions include resetting network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Note this will remove saved Wi-Fi passwords. Ensure you have at least 2 gigabytes of free storage space. Check this in Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and free up space if needed. Now let's move to Android troubleshooting. These steps will help resolve caption issues on Android devices. For Android devices, start by clearing the app cache and data. Go to Settings, Apps, CapCut, Storage, then tap Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. Check your Android version compatibility. CapCut requires Android 5.0 or higher, with optimal performance on Android 8.0 and above. Update CapCut through the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, search for CapCut, and tap Update if available. For persistent Android issues, try these advanced solutions, including battery optimization and permission settings. Disable battery optimization for CapCut. Go to Settings, Battery, Battery Optimization, find CapCut, and set it to Don't Optimize. This prevents Android from limiting the app's background activity. Check app permissions for CapCut. Go to Settings, Apps, CapCut, Permissions, and ensure microphone and storage permissions are enabled for proper caption functionality. These universal solutions work for both iOS and Android devices and address common connectivity and audio quality issues. Universal solutions include testing your internet speed. CapCut requires a minimum of 5 Mbps for reliable auto caption processing. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data when possible. Audio quality is crucial for caption accuracy. Ensure your audio is clearly audible. Use standard video formats like MP4 and avoid background noise or music overlap during speech. If auto captions still fail after trying these solutions, consider these alternative approaches using third-party caption tools. When CapCut auto captions continue to fail, you can use third-party tools like Rev for professional caption services or Otter.ai for AI-powered transcription that you can then import into CapCut. You can also manually upload caption files if you create them using external tools, or use CapCut's manual caption feature as a backup option when auto captions aren't working. Remember to start with basic troubleshooting steps for your platform, then move to advanced solutions if needed. Universal network and audio quality fixes often resolve persistent issues across both iOS and Android devices.